One of my favorite things to enjoy is a delicious cup of matcha tea. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my morning cup of matcha tea. I use a bamboo scoop to measure out my matcha powder. Then I pour the tiniest bit of water heated no higher than 170 degrees into the matcha and whisk it using this bamboo whisk. I want to make sure that it turns into a thick paste without any lumps before I add the rest of my water. Pour the additional water in over your whisk like you see me doing it here. That way everything goes into my cup and I get to enjoy it. Excuse all the bling. I'm getting ready to head out to a big tennis match today. Apparently there's going to be some big competition, so I made sure that I had an extra cup of my matcha tea before leaving. I need that kind of focus. Just in case you're wondering where I pick up my matcha, I get it from Costco. I love their matcha. It's the best tasting. Now I need to get going. Can't be late for a very important tennis date. Always remember to make time to play. Have a great day.